Meow. Meow. So we'll start off remembering that less is more. We just kind of want the idea of the shapes here. We're aiming for a gesture more than anything. Take lots of thought time. Pause when I'm not sure where I'm going. Sometimes I just kind of go back over the lines even without the pencil touching the paper. Just, it's kind of part of my thought process. More than anything, I want to get a convincing shape and a pleasing shape, not necessarily exactly the same, but with lots of nice flow to it. Because it won't turn out exactly the same when you're drawing. It's a drawing. It's not a copy. I mean, to some degree, I guess you're copying, but you're also putting your own expression into it. And just allow it to be that. Allow it to be your own interpretation of this beautiful little kitty. Quick and easy way to get that muzzle. And you can really change the expression of the cat just by changing the mouth lines slightly. And the eyes too, but I just more than anything have fun with the different angles on the mouth. And when I'm doing toe beans, I don't necessarily look for exactly what I see. I just want a suggestion of toe beans in there. I just find just going for suggestions helps it look more natural and comfortable. And I am not aiming for photorealism. I'm aiming for a charming character more than anything. And it's up to you to find your own way, of course. Bit of suggestion of tabby markings. Just a suggestion. Just really always keeping in mind the less is more thing when I start feeling like I'm maybe going to add too much. I remember I want to keep it simple. That little paws poking out from behind there. And the fluffy tail. And tails don't have to be exactly the way you see them, especially because tails really change a lot. They can go in all kinds of different directions. They can be fluffy or not fluffy. And the wiggle lines around them really create lots of energy too. Each one of those little lines poking off in a different direction adds some life and energy to the drawing. Not just on the tail, but everywhere. Suggestion of fur. A question I get all the time is, could you teach me how to draw fur? And my first answer is, well, I kind of draw fur without drawing fur. By not drawing fur, I just add suggestions here and there. We know it's a cat and we know they're fluffy. And if we just have the odd suggestion here and there, we know it's a fluffy cat. It's all about personal style too. You got to find your own way. What works for you? There's those wiggle lines. Add some wiggle lines beside the tail and the paws. Just add some energy to the drawing. And we'll kind of ground Kitty here a little bit. The paw on our left is kind of up in the air, so I'm not going to really ground it. This helps balance the drawing off a bit too. Just remember, it's easy to overdo it, so think carefully. Let your intuition guide you. The whiskers really finish it off, don't they? And sometimes I add some of the whiskers above the eyes, the eyebrows, but not this time. I'm feeling like the whiskers are weighted well here and I like it. I'm going to leave it at that. Thanks for watching.